Shoot. Now I gotta get ready.
Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen and I'm back with another video. Today I'm sharing with you guys some of my tips to look put together when you feel anything but. As a business owner, I have to go to events often and a lot of times I don't feel like going, but I have to go. And I can't be there looking like a troll. That's not how I'm trying to look in tag photos.
Okay.
So the great thing about protective hairstyles is when you don't feel like getting ready, you don't have to do your hair, it's already done. So I love passion twists. I love protective hairstyles such as this where I don't have to do my hair besides slick down my baby hairs. I do have some tutorials on some really easy hairstyles such as the half bun and the half wig, and I'll also link down below the passion twist tutorial that I follow. But when it comes to hair, stick with some protective hairstyles and quick 10 to 15-minute hairstyles because you don't feel like doing your hair because you don't feel like going. And then here's a little hack. I actually use a dog toothbrush to slick down my baby hairs. I like a dog toothbrush because you have a big side and a little side, so you can get the little bitty hairs as well as the big hairs. So let's talk about the skin. So generally, if I'm going to an event later on in the day and I've already washed my face and all that good stuff, I'll go ahead and apply a toner. I never apply makeup to a dirty face or a face that has not been cleansed. I always have to cleanse my face some way right before applying makeup. So right now I'm just using some simple toner water followed up with some moisturizer because you really want to have your face look nice and fresh prior to applying a makeup, especially if you're not going to be applying that much makeup. So when it comes to simple makeup, I like to do brows, mascara, concealer, and then a lip product. And that's my simple routine. So I start off with just brushing my brows and filling my brows in. If God blessed you with naturally thick brows, then sis, you get to skip this step. Lucky you. But I'm literally just going in with a brow pomade. I'll probably list it down below and just using short strokes to fill in my brows because short strokes mimic hair. Next up is the concealer for all the nights your girl missed sleep. I'm using Born This Way multi-use consulting concealer and I just apply that under eye. Don't apply that all over my face. I literally just apply it under eye. And then here's a hack. When you are just using concealer, you're not using any kind of foundation, you want to make sure you get a concealer that matches your skin tone. You don't want to get a brightener that's 2 to 3 shades lighter because then you may have that weird differential line between the concealer and the foundation. So getting you a foundation that's a similar complexion just so you can conceal under eye dark circles. And once I've done my brows and my concealer, I follow that up with some mascara. And then I usually follow that up with a lip gloss or a lipstick just to add some little color to my face since I'm not wearing any kind of eyeliner or eyeshadow. Now, if I know I'm going to be photographed a lot, then I will add 2 additional steps to that, and that is liner and lashes. It does take me long to apply lashes. I do have a tutorial on applying eyelashes, so I'll go ahead and apply mascara and lashes as well, which takes me about 5 minutes additionally. Next up is outfits. So when it comes to what I wear when I don't feel like going out to begin with, your girl loves dresses. And dresses to me are the perfect lazy girl outfit because I can look super put together. I don't have to wear no jeans, no shirt, just a one outfit dress. And then I also love rompers. Honestly, guys, 9 times out of 10, I'm either wearing a dress or a romper when I go out because it just reduces the amount of clothes I have to wear. And all of the products I'm using, all the outfits I'm wearing will be listed down below on Amazon. But I like rompers because they look so put together and they're super comfortable. And then depending on the event and the dress code, you can throw on a blazer, and blazers make any outfit look nice and professional and super polished and put together. Or you can throw on a denim jacket if you want to make it more casual. And I feel like you can be super lazy with your outfit, but as long as you have on like the right jacket or the right blazer, you can completely pull it off. And then when it comes to accessories, including purses, I'm either or, you know. So if I'm wearing like a black outfit, I'll maybe add on a nice little accent purse. If I'm gonna have on something super colorful, I'll keep my purse neutral. But it's a nice way to add in a pop of color and look polished. Also including earrings. I'll maybe sometimes wear super funky earrings, super not funky earrings, such as pearls. Pearls tend to match pretty much any kind of outfit, whether it's casual or it's dress up. And then also I really like stud diamonds. And these are fake diamonds, obviously. You guys, I lose earrings like, child, I lose earrings almost every other day. So I usually buy a set of like really cheap studs because they match everything. They look really cute with any outfit. And when it comes to shoes, I have a couple stables when it comes to flats. So I have like some black flats, some beige flats, pretty much to match anything for those days where I don't feel like wearing heels. I'm super lazy. I don't really feel like doing anything. They'll match anything. And the great thing about flats is they're comfortable and they can be casual or they can be dressed up depending upon, the event, wardrobe, and where you're going. Sometimes heels are more appropriate, and during those times, I love a chunky heel. The great thing about chunky heels is they can be super comfortable if they have some support and they're not super high. And because they're a heel, they do look really polished. Plus, chunky heels, you can get those for pretty inexpensive prices at Target, Amazon, as well as some of the bigger brands. And then you're pretty much done. Make sure you do a nail check so your nails don't look super chipped or crazy or lazy. And then my last tip when you have to go somewhere and you really don't feel like it and you have to be put together is make sure you check your attitude, okay? Make sure you have a smile on your face and your mind is open. If you show up and you acting like you don't want to be there, people are going to be able to feel that. So I decided on a brown clutch purse as well as a khaki jacket to match my chunky cheetah heels and my black bodysuit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with any of your friends who be showing up to events looking like a troll and they need to look more polished. Like send them this video, okay? All right, I'll talk to you guys later in my very next video. Be sure to check out my other videos down below. And until next time, stay healthy, happy, beautiful, and blessed. Bye, guys.